Welcome everybody to another episode of Formula 3000 Diecast. As you can see today we have two BBR models and two Ferrari ones. So let's get to it. Let's open up this one first, the Formula 1 Ferrari from BBR. Let's take this plastic first. Then we can see the box package a lot better. So there's the model. This one's from the Bahrain Grand Prix of 23. It's Charles Leclerc. These models are licensed. Pretty nice box set. Let's open it up and see what's it all about. Here it is. Pretty nice details. Got all these sponsors. It comes with a driver. Tires are rubber. These BBR models are one of the best details and the best Formula 1s that you're gonna find out there. A little bit more pricey as well, but in my opinion it's worth it. Rolls pretty well. Okay, let's get to the next one, the 820 Competition. And I think this is a custom for someone, because I think that's what I read on the this is tailor made. Also licensed. Pretty cool looking car so far, and I'm not a big fan of yellow, but this deco just look at that. Look at the interior as well. You have some color seats. Ferrari badge at the front. Just the base. Rubber tires, of course. And it rolls pretty good as well. I'm impressed with these BBRs, despite the price point. You're basically paying, I don't know, triple of what a Hot Wheels Premium is. But again, I think it's worth all the details and the quality that you get with this brand BBR. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and help the channel. Until the next one, let me know if you like these models and if you want to see more Ferraris. See ya.